Hello everyone, Dr. Perkins here with a Go Beyond moment. Today I want to talk to you about broken wings. What are broken wings? We were all meant to soar to great heights in all areas of our life. But sometimes life throws us curveballs. What do those curveballs consist of? They can be thousands of things. I've just listed 4 today. They could be negative people. For some reason in our lives, negative people come against us, and that could look like many things. They could be upset with our height. We could be too tall for them, too short for them, too skinny, too fat. They may not like our decisions, and so forth and so on. They have many insecurities. It could be loss. We could lose pets. We can lose loved ones, family members, or people can steal from us. It could be politics on the job. For some reason, we work with knuckleheads. There's always 1 or 2 that want to steal our glory, make us look really bad, sabotage a project. Or the politics can come from the boss, him or herself, by not giving us a raise or promotion that we deserve. Then lastly, an illness, an unexpected illness can come before us. When that happens, we have to go into conquer mode. We have to face it and conquer it. We can't let our mind and our body swindle down to rock bottom. So let's take these 4 things that come against us, and I've already put these lines here that represent each of these 4 things that break our wings. And by the way, this is supposed to be an angel with wings. Don't laugh at me too much. This is my best drawing. So loss will represent this line. It breaks our wing. Negative people represents this line. It breaks our wing. Politics on the job could be this line. It breaks our wing. And then lastly, illness represents this line. It breaks our wings. So we're no longer flying here or soaring here, which we should be. We're down here, or maybe we hit rock bottom. So what are solutions to help repair our broken wings and push us back up? So I put down 4 of my solutions. Get a mentor, someone who's been there, done that, well experienced, that has lived through the tough times, the dark moments, the storms, but has risen up, straightened out their back, and pushed forward. Become a friend with a mentor so they can get you through your tough times. Number 2, think about prayer. Research this. Maybe implement or insert prayer into your daily or weekly life, because God promises us that a weapon formed against you shall not prosper. Number 3 solution, advance your mindset. Don't just have an okay mindset. Have an advanced mindset, meaning focus on the good things about yourself, others, and situations. Again, focus on the good things with yourself, others, and situations. Then lastly, my 4th solution, bring out that can-do attitude. All of us have it within us, and I'm gonna prove it to you right now. You have done many things out there that you thought you couldn't do, but then you put your mind to it, put an effort into it, and then you did it, and you were pleasantly surprised. So continue to pull out that can-do attitude. So again, let's take these 4 solutions and repair our broken wings now. A mentor, adding a mentor, da-da-da-da-da. Prayer could fix this broken wing here. Having that advanced mindset can fix that broken wing here. Then lastly, pulling out that can-do attitude within you can fix that broken wing here. Now you're back up to the heights you should be soaring at. Understand that a rejection is a redirection. Understand that a setback is a sit-up for your future. Remember, everything starts in your thinking.